Hi and welcome to Auto Talks. This is another video on automobile updates weekly roundoff. Now starting off with Audi India, which has recently increased 3% price hike on all its petrol and electric vehicles. This price hike will include recently launched Q7, Q8, S5 Sportback and RS series. This price hike will be effective from 1st April this year. So moving ahead, Skoda India already sold out its facelift model of Kodiaq. The manufacturer allotted 1200 units, which was booked in 20 days of its launch. The Skoda India has recently increased the price for the same. So finally, a great news for CNG users. Government will be launching soon the BS6 CNG kit, which will allow third-party CNG kit to be installed in BS6 petrol vehicles. So moving on, MG has officially released the image of ZS EV. This is expected to be launched by the end of this month. This is expected to have a refresh exterior, interior along with new features and possibly have a larger battery pack for those extra miles. Now moving ahead, Kia's Carens has already crossed 5000 plus unit mark, which has increased the waiting period for most of the city from 3 months to 4. The 3-row MPV starts from a price of 9.99 lakh and moving on to 16.99 lakh for its top spec variant. So last but not the least, Mercedes-Maybach launches its S-Class series in India with a price starting from 2.5 crore. The company offers two trims. One is S580 and the other one is S680. These two trims will be packed by two engine options. For S580, a 4-liter bi-turbo V8 engine which produces a 503 PS of power. For its S680 trim, a 6-liter bi-turbo V12 engine which produces a whopping of 612 PS of power. So that's all for this week. Stay tuned for more auto updates. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to Auto Talks, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from our channel. Thank you.